10 Impressive Health Benefits of Beets. Beetroots, commonly known as beets, are a popular root vegetable used in many cuisines around the world. Beets are packed with essential vitamins, minerals and plant compounds, some of which have medicinal properties. What's more, they are delicious and easy to add to your diet. This video lists 10 health benefits of beets, all supported by science. 1. Many nutrients in few calories. Beets boast an impressive nutritional profile. Beets are loaded with vitamins and minerals and low in calories and fat. They also contain inorganic nitrates and pigments, both of which have a number of health benefits. 2. Help keep blood pressure in check. Beets contain a high concentration of nitrates, which have a blood pressure lowering effect. This may lead to a reduced risk of heart attacks, heart failure and stroke. 3. Can improve athletic performance. Eating beets may enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen use and time to exhaustion. To maximize their effects, beets should be consumed 2 to 3 hours prior to training or competing. 4. May help fight inflammation. Beets may have a number of anti-inflammatory effects. However, further research in humans is required to confirm this theory. 5. May improve digestive health. Beets are a good source of fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health, as well as reducing the risk of a number of chronic health conditions. 1 cup of beetroot contains 3.4 grams of fiber, making beets a good fiber source. 6. May help support brain health. Mental and cognitive function naturally decline with age. Beets contain nitrates, which may help increase blood flow to the brain, improve cognitive function and possibly reduce the risk of dementia. However, more research in this area is needed. After age 40, one must regularly drink half a glass of beetroot juice mixed with other green vegetable juices to enjoy strong memory. 7. May have some anti-cancer properties. Cancer is a serious and potentially fatal disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth of cells. The antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory nature of beets have led to an interest in its ability to prevent cancer. However, the current evidence is fairly limited. Beetroot extract has been shown to reduce the division and growth of tumor cells in animals. One test tube study using human cells found that beetroot extract, which is high in beta-amine pigments, reduced the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells. It is important to note that these studies were performed in isolated human cells and rats. Further research is necessary to determine whether similar effects would be found in living, breathing humans. To defeat cancer, eat beetroot regularly in salad or juice form. 8. May help you lose weight. Beets have several nutritional properties that should make them good for weight loss. Beets have a high water and low calorie content. Both of these properties are beneficial for weight loss. 9. Diabetes. Beets contain an antioxidant called alpha-lipoic acid. This compound may help lower glucose levels and increase insulin sensitivity. A 2019 review of studies looked at the effects of alpha-lipoic acid on the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. The researchers found that oral and intravenous administration of alpha-lipoic acid supplements led to a decrease in symptoms of peripheral and autonomic neuropathy in people with diabetes. However, most of the doses in these studies were far higher than those that are available in beetroot. The effects of smaller dietary doses are not yet clear from the available research. 10. Treats anemia. As beetroot is high in iron content, it can help prevent and treat anemia and low blood hemoglobin. Iron helps in revitalizing the red blood cells, which in turn will help improve the transportation of oxygen and nutrients to different areas of the body. The copper in beetroot also helps the body absorb the iron better. Drinking beetroot juice on a daily basis helps regenerate and reactivate red blood cells and thus helps treat anemia. Delicious and easy to include in your diet. Beets can be juiced, roasted, steamed or pickled. Also, they can be bought pre-cooked and canned for convenience. Choose beets that are heavy for their size with fresh, unwilted green leafy tops still attached. Dietary nitrates are water-soluble, so it is best to avoid boiling beets to maximize their nitrate content. Here are some delicious and interesting ways to add more beets to your diet. Beetroot salad. Grated beets make a flavorful and colorful addition to coleslaw. Beetroot dip. Beets blended with Greek yogurt make a delicious and healthy dip. Beetroot juice. Fresh beetroot juice is best, as store-bought juice can be high in added sugars and may only contain a small amount of beets. Beetroot leaves. Beet leaves can be cooked and enjoyed like spinach, so don't throw them out. Beets provide some impressive health benefits. Not to mention, they are low in calories and a great source of nutrients, including fiber, folate and vitamin C. Beets also contain nitrates and pigments that may help lower blood pressure and improve athletic performance. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.